Good morning, viewers, subscribers. Lewis from IB Window Cleaning. Quick run through what we're going to do today. So we're going to be pressure washing. Well, that's the tester. We're going to go over all of this again, all the flooring. As you can see, we're going to move everything out of the way. Come along here. All the weeds, bits and bobs, all the way around and down. Lovely jubbly. This is going to be one puck a day. Yep. Groovy gravy, baby. Yeah. Right, let's get cracking. No. Alrighty then. My work is lovely. Yep, right, let's start getting everything out of the way. Right, I'll take these off a minute. There you go. Bloody slick. Yes, I look like a skateboarder, but ruining my knees for nothing. Right, everything up and out the way. We're going to start with the weeding first. And yes, it's my new favourite Mighty Ducks t-shirt. Not new, second hand, but whatever. Nice and tidy back. There's stuff there. Didgeridoo. just to note whilst I'm here as well, you can see all the crud off colouring, algae and crap that's over these. Table as well. I'm going to give all of this the kiss of life. Bring it back nice and shiny like. You can see. And I'm moving it to move it back, but I'll probably do that lock down that end. Looking forward to this day all week.
Yeah.
Literally, I've been saying to my wife, I cannot wait for Friday. To do something different.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I didn't realise all this was growing here.
Sorry?
I didn't realise all this was
Oh yeah, yeah. No worries.
Yeah, doing this kind of pressure washing, it's always quite satisfying, I find.
Wearing a white t-shirt on a day like today. You got a busy day ahead of you? Or?
Well, it's Friday, so I'm hoping not, but it depends what my customers are saying. I was going to say, you don't need to move this out. This can stay, because that thing won't come out of it. And because even if you pressure wash the top of it, you'll just...
Oh, don't worry, I'll move it, you'll see, I'll get it moved, don't worry about that. Because I want to flip it as well. Got to make sure when I clean it, I said to you I'm going to do the whole lot, wouldn't it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can't have one clean bit and a dirty patch, can we?
Oh, no, but that always stays there, so I don't mind, honestly. I don't mind, because it'll be a real pain to move that, because that pole doesn't come out.
Yep,
So,
okay. I could just pressure wash it that way there.
Yeah,
where it
yeah,
is.
because I normally just pressure wash it.
I need to move it a little bit though, because
Yeah.
you can see there's some crud under there.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'll see how it goes anyway. I'm going to put these nuts and bolts that were on there just in here, yeah?
Spares off the bikes.
Alright. Right.
But yeah, if you need to take any videos and stuff like that today for your YouTube and stuff, just crack on with it.
Sorry?
If you need to take any videos and stuff.
Oh,
for
yeah,
your
I'm recording now.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, even back here, you can look at the glasses.
I was going to say, what it might be worth, like, do you use Instagram or anything like that?
Yeah, I've got Instagram. I'm not too...
Because that's a really good way to get your stuff out.
Yeah, I've been putting little bits up on TikTok and that at the minute.
Putting like a timestamp. But I think Instagram would be better.
Yeah.
I'll tell you why. Because the people that are going to be doing this kind of work
Yeah.
are going to be like my age and older.
Yeah.
So they're not going to be using TikTok. They're going to be using Instagram and Facebook.
Oh yeah, I've got Facebook and that. You know what it is as well? It's doing the work. It's getting time to do it, going to the gym and all that. Honestly, the other week I set up. I literally stayed up 24 hours, putting about 40, 50 videos up.
Yeah, it's hard.
Constant, you know, and it's just sort of like that at the end of it. I was like, no, I need a bit of time out.
Well, once this is all done, I'll write you a review, and if you've got a link to your YouTube channel,
Yeah.
I'll post it up, because on Facebook,
Yeah.
there's a local Thornton Heath pond. They put deep.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And you get people asking for things
Oh,
like
right, okay.
window cleaners and all that all the time. So
Yeah.
I'll post you up.
Oh,
there,
right, wicked.
and hopefully somebody comes to you.
Well, a couple of your neighbours took the flyers. That lady at that house there, I think.
Oh,
I'll
yeah,
put one,
well,
I'll put-
yeah, they're nice.
I put one through the door, but I haven't heard anything yet. And then someone over the road. So,
Oh, nice.
so we'll see. I think maybe they're using yours as the guinea pig at the minute.
Yeah, that's fine. Somebody's got to be the first, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, on that end, there's quite a few spiders on that end.
Tell you why we empty this out, because if the wind blows or something like that and it's all been cleaned, it's just gonna,
Yeah, it needs to get something like this. That's normal part of that pressure.
yeah.
That's got all their toys on it.
Yeah, no, that's alright. Right. Out. Right in the sun. Easy to wash your thing.
And I was thinking last night I should have mowed the lawn because now what's going to happen is you're going to get everything perfect.
We can get the mower out now if you want.
No, no, no. All this is on. It's all right. It's all right. I'll do it later.
Oh, okay.
Right, I'll stop disturbing you. I'll just be inside if you want me.
I'm well happy today. I'm in the element. Outside, in sun.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh. Righty then. So yeah, you get a gist and a feel of it. Everything's up where it needs to be. I can clean that where it is. And yeah, it's going to be nice and shiny that. See you on the next one.